In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Gmail Direct Customer Service. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach Google's support channels from right inside your inbox and send a clear, actionable report. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you land on your inbox. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see the support icon, typically shown as a question mark inside a circle. Click that to open Gmail's support panel. In the panel that appears, choose Help. This opens the help experience for Gmail, where Google surfaces common solutions and links to support articles. This is useful because many issues can be solved quickly by following a recommended article or troubleshooting guide tailored to your account context. If you still need to reach out, click Send Feedback. This is the pathway Google provides inside Gmail to share a problem directly with their support team. In the feedback window, select Report an Issue. Choosing this tells Google you're experiencing a specific problem, rather than just sharing a general comment. Next, you'll be asked to select an option that best matches your situation. Pick the category that's closest to your issue. This helps route your message to the right team and increases the chance of a speedy, relevant response. Now describe your issue. Be concise but thorough. Include what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Add details like the device and browser you're using, and any steps that consistently reproduce the problem. Avoid including personal or sensitive information. If the form offers a screenshot option, you can enable it to capture what's on your screen. Use the on-screen tool to blur or exclude anything private before sending. When you're ready, click Next. This lets you review your description and confirm any attachments. Take a moment to double-check that everything is clear and that you haven't accidentally included sensitive data. Finally, click Send. Your report is submitted to Google through the official Gmail channel. After sending, you may see recommended help resources tailored to your report. Depending on the nature of the issue and your account type, Google may follow up or use your submission to improve services and address known problems behind the scenes. That's it. You've used Gmail's built-in help and feedback tools to contact support, provide the right context, and set yourself up for the best possible assistance.